Hey guys, welcome to Neat World.
So in this session, we'll be discussing about pharmacy courses. Okay. So in the last session,
We have discussed about engineering
counseling process
Yes.
and the top colleges for engineering. So in this session, this is exclusively for
Pharmacy.
B pharmacy courses. Along with that, we have other courses also. We'll be discussing about this in this session. Yes, guys. So if you are a BPC student, okay, and you are planning to do B pharmacy or any other pharma courses, yes, so this session will be definitely a
Useful for
very
you.
useful thing. Okay, so just follow the session till the end. Okay.
So, yes sir, like TG AP set we are going to discuss.
Yes.
In last class we have discussed, in the last video we have discussed about the particularly engineering.
Yes.
So in this video we have mainly focused on pharmacy sir.
Yes.
So can you say what are the courses are available in pharmacy sir?
Yes, see, in this counseling, in the pharmacy counseling now, so along with the B pharmacy, there are three other courses also. B pharmacy
Okay.
and Pharma D,
Okay.
and there is biotech,
Okay.
and along with that, biomedical engineering also available,
Okay.
sir. So these are the four courses they can
Opt for the pharmacy.
yes,
Okay.
in this counseling, particular
Okay.
counseling. Okay.
So
these are the-
biomedical,
yes,
engineering,
biomedical engineering,
biotech, Pharm D and B pharmacy. Okay sir.
Yes. Okay. So now, so for this purpose, so what you need to do as of now. So I hope you have written your exam well,
Yeah.
and your results are also released. So now the time for making the proper planning of counseling.
Obviously, sir. Like
Yes.
after getting the ranks, no.
Yes.
They need to see the rank,
Yes.
which colleges are suitable for that rank.
Yes. Yes.
Then they need to go for the web option.
Yes.
Like choosing the colleges.
Yes.
Then there will be a certificate verification also before that. Okay. And then the last process is like seat allocation will be there.
Yes.
So it's based on the category wise. Whenever you are seeing the rank with colleges, there will be a category also.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
here for choosing the best colleges in your web option, so this session is exclusively for that purpose only.
Yes.
So what we are going to make you is, see, make the list of best colleges. So how can you make these best colleges? By using the previous year data. So it means if you go through the BPC counseling, for pharmacy counseling, there are two counseling happened in the last
Yes.
years, 2024. Phase 1 and the final phase.
Okay.
Only two phases as done. Okay. So as per that data, so now if your rank, so look at your rank and your category.
Okay.
So these two things if you consider. So for example, if your rank is falling around 10,000. Okay, and you will be having some category like general, OBC, something like
Okay.
BCB, BCA, like that, right? So based on that, you can use this previous year data. So you can also get the previous year data with us. I will
Okay.
show you what you have to do along with the data. Okay, so now you need to correlate your rank with the previous year data. For example, if you are a BCB boy and your rank is around 10,000, so in the last year list, where that BCB boy with 10,000 rank
Okay.
falls into,
Okay.
in which college he got secured the seat.
Okay, sir. It's only for boys. Is like that for girls also.
So for every person,
Okay.
boys, girls
Okay.
of every category, all OC general, girls, boys, as well as BCB, BCA, BCC,
Okay.
like that for every
Okay.
category, SC, ST, everyone.
Okay, sir. Can you please tell about top 5 colleges for this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we'll be discussing about the first. See, guys, before going to this previous data, we'll be discussing about top government colleges as well as private colleges in Telangana. Okay, so that you will get some clarity on these colleges. Then you can make your planning according to the list. Okay, see here, first college here we have is JNTU Hyderabad, right? So in that also you can expect for a seat, okay, as per your rank. And Kakatiya University College, here we have University
Yeah,
College
which
of
is in
Pharmacy.
Warangal.
Yes,
Yeah.
Warangal from, and Usmania OU College we have again. Okay, and then next Palamuru University Mahbub Nagar we have, and Shatavahana from Karimnagar you have.
And one more thing, like for the first college, like Kakatiya College, the
Yes.
closing rank is like up to 10,000.
10,000.
Like we have given approximately. Okay.
Yes, yes,
For the JNTU, the closing rank is like 12,000.
Yes.
See, this rank is based on like OC category, like general category we have given. Okay.
yes.
Then the Osmania University, the rank is like around 20 to 21,000.
Yes, yes.
Then Palamuru College is like around 42 to 43,000.
Yes.
Then Satwana College is like 31,000.
Yes.
So these are the closing rank we have given approximately. It may change, like vary to the this years. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Okay.
this is about the top government colleges, no sir? Like
yes.
this is the top private colleges, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So first one is Anurag University.
And sir, one
Yeah.
more thing. Here we have JNTU Sultanpur also.
Ah, yes, sir.
That we have missed here. That is should be also added here.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, when we come to top private colleges, no, the first one is like Anurag University, which is in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Like the further closing rank is like around 13,000 to 14,000.
Yeah, yes.
Next one is Guru Nanak Institute of Technical Campus, which is in Hyderabad. The closing rank is around 20 to 21,000.
Yes, yes.
Then is Bhaskar Pharmacy College, which is also located in same Hyderabad.
Yes, yes.
So for that 29 to 30,000
Yes.
closing rank. Next one is Balaji Institute of Paramedical Science, which is in Warangal. Next is Mallareddy Pharmacy College. Next is CMR College of Pharmacy. Next Mahidar Institute of Technology. For this, closing ranks are like 39,000, 22,000, 47,000 and 47,000. Like both are approximately same. Yeah.
So
Sir, could you please help how a student can correlate the ranks versus
yes, sir.
college?
So let us go into that Excel sheet.
Okay,
so
sir.
that you will get more clarity. How do they can correlate
Yeah.
their rank with the previous data?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here, so this is the data. So for example, if you go through this data, so first of all, where you can access this data, the first thing is you can directly go through the official website.
Or else you can-
EAP
yeah.
2024, you can go, you can download there.
Or
If
else
you
it
are-
will be in-
If you are really
yeah.
facing difficulty to do that, so just in the description box we will be providing, so from there also you can
Okay.
access, or other ways at the end of the session. So for example, here itself I will be showing after some time, I will be giving you one Telegram group, there you can join. That is the Telegram group of this NEET world. So there we will be providing the data.
Okay,
so
sir.
like this also you can access the data and use it very productively for
Okay.
planning of your colleges.
So suppose a student is getting like around 9,000 ranks, sir.
Yes, sir.
He is falling under like BC category.
Yes, sir.
Okay, BCEA category let me take. So what is the colleges are available? Could you please show them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
See, everything I will tell you. Just hold on for some time. See, this is the list of colleges, and this is the college codes here we have in the
Okay.
Excel sheet.
Okay.
Okay. And you know the place, location of that colleges.
Okay.
And here, whether it is co-education college or only for women's, everything
Okay,
is
understood.
given here.
Okay.
Co-education or what type it is.
Okay.
Again, college type, whether it is private or
Private or-
government or
okay.
university, like that. Okay. And when it is established, everything will be there. And here, if you come, see, for a student.
Yeah, sir. I asked for BCA boys 9,000 ranks,
Yes,
sir. Yeah.
BCA boys here we
Yeah.
have, and see, here we have 9,000 rank.
Okay.
If you arrange, okay.
Okay.
So this, if you choose, so now if it is 9,000, now, so
Okay.
go there. Yeah. So which college it is?
It is Sri Venkateshwara College of Pharmacy, sir.
Pharmacy.
Yeah, Madhapur.
Yes. Yeah. So like that, they will get some clarity. Like that is the college he falls into.
Okay.
Right.
So one like 9,000 for this one. Again
Yes.
9,000 rank is there.
Yes.
You will get like Anurag University.
Yes.
Again, if we see some 9,000 like 1, 2, again, yeah, here one more 9,000 is
Yeah.
there. For that, they will get like Samskruti College of Pharmacy.
And sir, one more suggest I just wanted to give you to the students is,
Yeah.
so you need to open this Excel sheet in your laptop.
Okay.
Okay. So after that, so just make these orders
Okay.
from small to big.
Ah,
For
understood,
example,
sir. Yeah.
BCA boy rank they require.
Okay.
So what they need to do is they just need to select this L.
Okay.
And they need to apply filter.
Okay.
And you can arrange from lower to higher,
higher.
so that you will get some clarity.
Okay.
Again, see here, if you see the branch list, see we have Pharm D students in this list itself.
Okay.
And biomedical students and biotechnology students we have.
So if they want particularly, they can opt for that.
Yes.
Okay.
So if they are interested in biomedical, see biomedical engineering for BiPC stream.
Okay.
So they can see BiPC students can do engineering also.
Okay.
So this is also they have one option.
Okay.
Okay. See Pharm D again, which is more demanding than the B pharmacy.
Okay.
Pharm D is more demand than this B pharmacy, sir. So they can also choose this one also, and along with that they have B pharmacy also here. So these are the codes they have. See.
So
here-
when we talk about the 9,000 ranks, sir, one is 9,000 here, and if I see like any other, yeah, here. So if I see for this one, it is
biotechnology.
biotechnology.
Yes.
Then for this one, sir, It is Form D.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So different college rank also different, and the course which
Yes,
they are
yes.
offering also different. Yeah.
So guys, again one more thing, sir. So if a student is particularly interested only to know about Farm D course,
Okay.
okay, so they just can choose this this like column,
Okay.
okay, and they can apply filter. Now applying filter, there will be an option in the laptop.
Okay.
So after applying filter, if they want only Farm D, so they just tick Farm D
Okay.
and remove other groups, other courses.
Okay.
So that they will get the list of colleges and the ranks for this Farm D only.
Okay.
So like that, they can segregate the course wise,
Okay.
and they can get the clarity among that course and the
Yeah,
ranks.
sir. It will be more easy for them.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. So for any category, so they can make it like that.
Okay.
Which is very, very useful. This data is very, very useful for them. And you know, even if you are doing it in your other net cafes, so most of the students, sir, so they will be going for counseling. I mean, these web options for any outside internet
Okay.
caves or Me Seva, some kind of things.
Okay.
So there, if they have some clarity among these colleges, if they got some list of colleges in their hands,
Okay.
so they can go with that college list and they can provide it to that person who is
Okay.
handling the cafe.
Okay.
So that he can put these colleges only in
Easily,
the web,
yeah, okay,
web
okay.
option, so that the student can have chosen a good college. Therefore, a good career will be
yeah.
expecting for him. Right, Nasser?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So I guess this will be more helpful for the students who are having issues in like facing some problem in choosing the college versus rank. Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, guys, I hope the data is really helpful, and you know, this is the statement of first phase only. Again, last rank statement for first phase. So similar to this, there is one more phase, that is the final phase.
Okay.
Of TG EAP set
For
by
BPC
PC 2024.
2024. Okay.
So if your rank is really little lower, so
Okay.
if you want to get more satisfied version of
Okay.
college list,
Okay.
so you just go through the final
Second phase.
I mean,
Okay.
last final phase, so that if your rank is even low, you might get some better college in that list, because these are toppers. I mean, top ranks will get top college.
Okay.
That is second chance, right? So you might be, if any vacancies are there, you can also fall into that college as per the rank.
Okay.
Okay. So you can watch completely, get analyze that video, that whatever the document Excel sheet we are providing, so that you can get some clarity on that also.
Yes, sir. It will be more helpful for the students.